easy it will be for you. The markets are simple. We make them complicated. Primarily, all of us pick some wrong ideas and notions of the market. Right in the initial days, through the media, listening to the so-called experts of the markets, reading the free stuff, and in our journey of trading, we pick up so many ideas, notions, and logical explanations, and these are the very ideas that hamper our way to profits. We all agree, and we hear this often, the markets are illogical. They appear to not follow any rules and appear completely random. We all agree that there can be no logical explanation to the markets. They seem to defy every known logic and flummoxed even the most logical of men. Yes, when it comes to our own trading, we approach this illogical problem from a logical standpoint. If logic were to yield us trading profits, then every person approaching the markets from a logical standpoint should be making regular and consistent profits, and mathematicians would be billionaires. But we see the opposite to be true in most cases. But like a blind bat, we still continue to seek logical solutions to this illogical problem. Don't you see that this approach is doomed to failure right from the beginning? Don't you feel this approach will only lead to more regret? Think about it. Now, in this presentation today, I will show you the 3 common illusions. Illusions in the financial markets. Fundamental analysis. When does it work and not work? Technical analysis. When does it work or not work? Magic of the markets. What drives markets? What skills are required for trading and investing successfully? Let us now understand how we are led to believe what we see and hear. Look at this picture. What do you see? What comes to your mind instantly? A lady's butt? Interesting. See carefully, and you will realize these are heels. Very interesting, right? Even after you know they are heels, you can still see the woman's butt. Now look at this picture. What do you see immediately? A bottle? A loving couple? Erotica? See carefully. Print is always black on white. And here we are misled by our choices, our wishes, and what we wish to see the most. Basically, there are only pictures of dolphins on this image. Dolphin, 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 dolphin.